After establishing your private limited company, protecting your brand identity should be a priority. Trademark registration secures your exclusive rights to your company name and logo. Let's explore this essential protection for your business. What is a trademark? A trademark is a distinctive sign, symbol, or expression that identifies your products or services in the marketplace. It could be your company name, logo, tagline, or a combination of these elements that make your brand unique and recognizable. Importance of trademark protection. Registering your trademark provides essential protection. Establishes your legal ownership of the brand. Grants exclusive nationwide rights to use the mark. Creates a valuable business asset that appreciates over time. Provides legal grounds to prevent others from using similar marks. Builds customer trust and brand recognition. Enables you to use the symbol, signaling official protection. When to file for trademark protection. While not a mandatory compliance, trademark filing is highly recommended soon after company formation. The earlier you secure your trademark, the better protected your brand will be from potential infringement or misuse by competitors. The basic trademark filing process. Our basic trademark filing service includes preliminary trademark search to check availability, preparation of trademark application documents, classification of goods/services under appropriate class, filing with the trademark registry, obtaining filing acknowledgement, basic follow-up until examination, professional guidance throughout the initial process, understanding classes. Trademarks are registered under specific classes based on the products or services you offer. Each class requires a separate application and fee. For comprehensive protection, your business may need registration across multiple relevant classes. Cost structure. The cost for basic trademark filing has two components. Professional fee, $1,999 per application/class. Government fee, either $4,500 if you qualify as a startup/small enterprise, or $9,000 standard fee. For complete protection, evaluate which classes are essential for your business operations. Timeline and expectations. The complete trademark registration process typically takes 18 to 24 months, though your filing date establishes your priority. The process includes application filing, immediate. Examination, 6 to 12 months. Publication and opposition period. Final registration if no objections. How Setindiabiz can help. Our trademark experts provide guidance on which elements of your brand to protect. Assistance determining appropriate trademark classes. Complete application preparation and filing. Documentation for your records. Initial follow-up with the trademark registry. Advice on using TM and symbols correctly. Don't leave your brand vulnerable to infringement. Contact Setindiabiz today to begin the trademark registration process and secure your company's most valuable assets.